Hello there everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over and also doing a first impressions of my May IPSY bag. So first, here's the bag. I have to say I think this is my favorite bag of them all just because it's a rainbow, it's glittery, it's amazing, I love it. It's not like a pleathery kind of feel like they normally have, but I do have to say the glitter is coming off of my hand, so that's kind of a no-no. But other than that, I really like the bag. So let's go ahead and see what I got this month. As always, I have nothing on my face, nothing in my hair. My hair is actually very wet at the moment, so hopefully I don't have any hair products because we'll have to see what we can do. The first product I have is a brush by F.A.R.A.H, and it's a 22E shade and blend. So it's a double-sided brush, one side for shading in the whole lid, the other side for blending. I have gotten another brush from this brand before in an IPSY bag, and I really like it. And I think I'm going to like this one more because the other one was huge. This one's actually smaller, and I can tell is going to fit in my crease a lot better than the other one. It's about the same quality. Their synthetic hair is super soft, so I'm going to use these out in just a little bit. The product I have is an eyeliner by Pixi. It is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade black, so I'm assuming it's just a black eyeliner. Oh, here we go. I hate how these things are packaged. It's so hard to open. I mean, I know they do it for a reason, but then when you want to use it, you really gotta work to get it. Come on. So it looks kind of like a gel to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this on my hand. Oh, that's really nice. It is definitely like a gel consistency, and it's so pigmented, and it is really silky. I mean, the name delivers on its promise. So I am going to actually test this out on my eyes in just a little bit after I show you what else I got. The next thing is from the brand Estate. I have never heard of this brand before, and it is a, what is it? Lip icing, it says. Not a gloss, not a stain, not a color, an icing. This is in the shade Drip. And it's a pretty, I mean, it's pink. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, the package has ice cream on it, so I'm going to see if it smells like ice cream. No. It does not smell like ice cream, but it does have a sweeter scent to it. Like, it smells like lip gloss, but with just a slightly sweeter scent, if that makes sense. And once again, I'm going to use that in a minute. Ooh, this next one's really interesting. Canadian Clay Pore Cleanser. Canadian Glacial Clay. I don't even know what to do with this. I'm going to try to open it first. Once again, keyword is try. That took way longer than it needed to, but it's like, it's so weird. So I'm going to read the card because I don't really know what to do with this. Is it a mask? Is it like a cleanser? Is it a spot treatment? I don't really know. So let me read the card. This cleanser is made with glacial mineral soil and colloidal clay that helps to absorb excess oil, remove dead skin cells, and get pores squeaky clean. So smooth a quarter-size amount all over dry skin. Let dry for 3 minutes. Wet hands to massage the product in a circular motion, and rinse off with the warm water. So it's kind of like a cleanser and a mask combined. Like you wash it off as a cleanser, but then you have to leave it on for a few minutes. So that's quite interesting. I'm going to have to give that a try. The final product is this Oryza. I hope I'm saying that right. Oryza Beauty. Never heard of them either, but it's a super cute eyeshadow quad, and these colors are right up my alley. Right up my alley. Browns, yes, love it. There are no shade names on this, but this one is the Nude, Shimmer, and Contour palette. I'm just going to do some swatches. So this first one right here. Let's try going this way. I mean, I think that would be what they consider to be the contour. Maybe. Okay, now I'm doing this brown shimmer. That's pretty. This more coppery shimmer. Okay, and finally this more rose gold shimmer. I mean, those are pretty. They're very similar to the ColourPop Double Entendre palette. I will say that. Alright, I'm going to take these swatches off my hands, and then I am going to apply some of this today. I'm gonna do the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, and the lip gloss with the new brush I got. So the only product that I'm really not testing out is the clay cleanser. So I am going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base. I don't really even know what to do. I think I'm going to do a different shimmer color on each eye just so I can see how they actually look on the eye. I'm not going anywhere today. I don't need to do fancy makeup, so I'm just going to test them out. And then I'll try to buff maybe the contour color in the crease. Okay, so like I said, I am going to do two different colors. The rose gold one is my favorite so far, so I'm going to go ahead and take the new F.A.R.A.H brush and do the shading side, dip it in here. It's not very dusty and kicks up a lot of powder, so when you put it, so that's good. So I'm going to try to put this all over my eyes. So I think it's actually quite hard to pick up on a brush. Like, I don't even have to tap it off because there's really not much on there to begin with. Okay, so this eye is this bottom corner, this rose goldy kind of shimmer. So I'm going to try the more golden shimmer on top of that first. So I'm going to try this golden shimmer on my other eye because I think I personally would get much use out of that. So like I said, it is really hard to pick up on this brush. I'm not sure if it's the brush or if it's the shadow, but I'm like digging it in and I barely have anything in here. But this one is more visible, I think, on the eye. Not too bad. I barely used anything off this brush. So I'm just trying to see, just trying to get a feel for what these are like. I do like these. I mean, I'm just gonna, I know it's not like the best application in the world, but like I said, I have nowhere to go. I'm just gonna stop right there because I have a basic feel for these. So this definitely has a lot more, not like pickup, but it picks up on the brush better. These ones are actually really, really hard to get on the brush. I am loving this rose gold color on my lid because this is more of an everyday look. Like, you know, you can actually use this more than I would say that these two are because they're very coppery. Like, you look like a penny. Personally, I don't want to look like a penny. And I really just like the slight shimmer to it, and I think with the even darker brown, it would look really, really pretty. As far as the brush goes, I mean, it's a brush. I don't really know what to say. I was gonna say most brushes are the same, but that is not true. But I would say that this is a good, high-quality brush. So now I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner from Pixi and just see how I can line my eyes. Lately, I've been trying really hard not to like tug or pull at my eye when I apply eyeliner because that's what I normally have to do because they are so rough. So I'm going to see if I can get away with not doing that right now. Let's see how easily this goes on. Oh yeah, I don't even need to touch my eye with anything but this liner. I'm going to try to do a little... That was like a terrible decision. But sometimes you just gotta roll with it, you know? So I am gonna have to need to tug at my eye for this one because it's not going to. Come on, as easy as I thought. Eyeliner. I like it a lot. Very smooth, very silky. I'm gonna go in with this Lip Icing by Estate. I have a feeling it's going to be very, very sheer. It is very sheer. I can't tell if I like the smell or not. Like, it actually smells kind of good when you just smell it, but once I put it on my lips, it smells like plastic. It really does smell like plastic, and I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, so that's all the products I got in my May IPSY bag. I for sure would recommend the eyeshadows, the liner, and the brush. So far, I would not recommend this lip gloss, and I'm not too sure about the, the pore cleansing clay because I haven't tried it yet. So let me know what you think about what I got, if you got anything the same, and I'll see you guys next month.